To find a Gmail account by phone number. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can find your Gmail account by your phone number. So if you have been forgot your Gmail account, you can simply find your Gmail account by your phone number which was registered to that account. So simply on that process, you will have to open your browser. So I'm opening the Chrome browser and here you have to type for accounts.google.com. Okay. So from here, you will have to tap on the profile icon just at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you have to scroll down and find the option add another account. Okay, so again, click on this add account to this device. Okay, so from here, you will have to click on this forward email option. So on this, you will have to type your phone number, which was connected to that Google account. So simply enter that phone number. Okay, so after typing that number, you will have to click on this next option. So from here, you will have to give your first name and surname. So I'm simply typing that name on here. So it was Crown Tutorials. So after that, you'll have to click on this next option. Okay, so this may take a few moments. Alright, now the Google has been searched the account that was linked to my phone number. So in this process, you might be asked for the verification code that can be sent on your phone number. So in my case, as it is directly linked to my phone, so it not required a verification code on my number. So likewise, you can also find the Gmail account by your phone number. So if this video was helpful to you, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more such tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.